In this video, I will show you how to check Wi-Fi password on laptop with Windows 11. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and open Control Panel on your PC or laptop. So you can go ahead and search for that in the Windows Start menu, or if you have that shortcut on your home screen, you can go ahead and click on that and then open that. Now in here, go ahead and click on Network and Internet. So click on that button. Now after that, you'll need to go ahead and click on Network and Sharing Center. Now in here, go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi button, and then inside that you'll be able to find this pop-up. So click on wireless properties under that, and then head over into the security tab, and then click on the show characters checkbox to be able to check your Wi-Fi password for this specific Wi-Fi. And that's basically how you can check Wi-Fi password on laptop in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.